So, hi everyone, let us try to understand house number 9 and whether it is an auspicious number or not for a house. But before we cover that, let us try to understand the attributes that are associated with number 9. Now, when we talk about number 9, the planet associated with number 9 is basically Mars. And like you guys know, Mars is the red planet. And of course, since red color is influenced with ambition, aggression, and somewhat a commanding nature as well, these people are go getters. These people have a lot of energy to dissipate. These people need to exhaust themselves, or they will exhaust themselves either professionally or personally. Especially for those of them who are having an influence of number 9, you will be able to see that these people are extremely energetic. And when I mean energetic, they are not somebody who is going to settle saying that, I planned of doing this in 3 months. No, for any work that has to be done in 3 months, they'll try to finish it probably in 1 month. That is the kind of pace, that is the kind of energy they work with. And most of the times, number 9, since they're aggressive, they're ambition oriented, they're goal oriented, most of the times what happens is you can see a little bit of synchronicities where they want to be in a position of leadership or a position of command. They want to have a team working under them than them rather working under anyone. They really like to be in the place of power because they're really not good people in listening to others people's commands, but they're very good in having them navigate somebody else to their commands. That is one thing that you have to know about number 9. Another connotation that you can relate to with number 9 is that 9 is associated with endings, transformations, and rebirth. So if you feel that there is some cycle that has to be completed or any of that, 9 can play a very good role. But again, like I said, since it's the number associated with transformations, the number associated with renewal, all of these can also be in a negative connotation as well when you look into individual details of each thing. But to be on a general note, to be honest, when you look at number 9 also deals with philanthropy. So these people under the influence of this number can become philanthropists, or you can see that they either associate themselves either with some kind of NGO or some kind of social service sectors, where you see even the amount they earn or anything they do, they will kind of give it to the society back. So this is something that you can genuinely see with the number 9. One more thing that I want to add with number 9 is, for me at least, number 9 can be seen both as a negative connotation and a positive connotation. But saying that, for a house number 9, what I would suggest, it is not a favorable number, and do not consider it unless and until 9 is not a favorable number as per your personalized chart. Only after your calculations, if you realize number 9 is lucky for you and you stay in a house number 9 or a house that equates to number 9, it can give you positive results. Otherwise, if you're just going to choose on it without actually having your personalized lucky number, I would not suggest it, because this can have negative impacts probably later, not directly, but probably later in your life. So this is about number 9.